So I'd say there's three things that I really like about working with CFO Rick. The first is accessibility. The second is the knowledge of the team. And the third is really trust. So in terms of accessibility, the CFO Rick team is always easy to get on the phone. They're always super accessible to their clients. If I'm going through a difficult situation from a business perspective, I can always run it by Rick or one of his other people on the team, and he can give me great advice. So they're a great kind of sounding board for challenges of small businesses. And then second of all, they're super knowledgeable. They know their domain. They know tax law. They know accounting. They know how small businesses operate and the challenges that they're under. And so they can always bring kind of best practices to my business and help me kind of think through a problem. So that's super value add. And then the last is trust. I've been working with CFO Rick since 2007 across two different companies that I've started, Tech Validate Software and now Vocal Video. And both of these, I trust the team implicitly with our financial challenges and situation that we've worked through. And they've helped us through some of the challenging times of going through a recession or managing through a growth stage. So they're a trusted partner across all the dimensions of our business. So each month brings a different challenge from a business perspective. Sometimes in a challenging economic environment, maybe we're really focused on saving money and really pinching pennies. And Rick and the team have been great to help us think through certain cost cutting and cost savings maneuvers we can be executing as a business. Second of all, sometimes when you're in a growth phase, cash flow is critical. So managing, having the CFO Rick team manage our accounts payable and accounts receivable and making sure and having kind of the confidence that the cash is going to be there is super useful. And then sometimes as a bigger organization, as you scale up, you're dealing with more HR, staffing, benefits issues and problems like that. And the CFO Rick team was great in kind of handling that as we got much bigger. When I'm recommending CFO Rick to another party or to another small business owner, what I always tell them is to think about it as a partnership. I know that Rick and the team look at every client that they bring on as a partner, and they really want to understand what that client's business is, what their business model is, what their future growth plans are, some of the key challenges in the business. And the reason they want to do that is they want to really help the business owner think about and kind of see around corners and be able to suggest kind of proactively certain kind of tax strategies or other cost savings maneuvers that can really actually, if you plan ahead, can be super worthwhile. And they've done that with both Tech Validate, which I use them with, and then also with Vocal Video. And so I always look at their engagement and the work that I do with them as a partnership, and they're part of the kind of the company and the deal team in that regard. So CFO Rick has been there for us through some of the biggest challenges that we've ever gone through as a business. I've been a client through two recessions, so the Great Recession and now a global pandemic. Likewise, they were also our trusted partner as we went through an acquisition and the entire due diligence phase. And those three examples were all extremely stressful. They helped us navigate those choppy waters, whether it be through recessionary times or in the case of an acquisition, navigating essentially having all of your financials being investigated and looked at very closely. and they were kind of the support for all of that. So what I would say, what you're getting with Rick and the team is you're getting an organization that's extremely high integrity and has an unflinching commitment to its clients. And I would recommend them extremely highly.